Okay. No way. Shower curtain liner. I'm speechless. Okay, so we are in the Marshalls in Enfield, Connecticut. $9.99. This is cute. With jean jacket. Very cute. Look at this. Pink sleigh essentials. Aren't these cute? $7.99. Cute, cute, cute. Okay guys, here I am. Extra special. They have the little chubby canisters. They're like for dogs, dog treats. This cute Happy Easter. Puppy love, eat. I'm gonna try these. $9.99. They're for dogs. Oh man. This is cute. With the pink lettering. Then we go down here. They have this green veggie bowl. This blue hors d'oeuvre plate. Ooh, I found the leftover one. What are these? They look like coasters. Oh my goodness. Happy Easter. They have this bowl with the blue inside. Love my peeps. They have another one down here. Oh my God, so many good things. Alright, let's see what I take home. Here they have the Easter clock houses, yellow chirp, $14.99. Here we have it. Cute. What else do we see? Oh my God, I have a blue face. I can do face in blue. Hot to it. Are they $12.99 here too? see here the Happy Easter placemats. 4 placemats for $12.99. Blessed. Blessed. Happy Easter. You've been blessed. So many things. Look at how cute these eggs are. Right here, the salt and pepper for $9.99. They have it in yellow and in white. I apologize for the music. I know it's a bit loud. I see a couple of birdhouses here on this table. Some signs. Peep peep. $7.99. And then over here, I see 2 of these water mists. $9.99. They're just randomly there. One little birdhouse there. Okay, so the Valentine's Day has been narrowed down to 1 table here in this Marshalls. And we see #love. $6. All these. How cute is this Rae Dunn bathroom line for spring? $7.99 for your brushes, $9.99 for your soap, $6.99 for your toothbrushes, and $7.99 for just cotton balls or ear swabs, whatever you think you might need in there. So cute. Okay, no way. Shower curtain liner. I'm speechless. Happy Easter. Shower curtain liner. And this one's the bunny love. Okay, I need to see this anymore. Hold on. Oh, yes, there is. Love my peeps. With little chicks. Oh my god. And these are, how much? $7.99. Oh my god, let me put these here. Let me pick up. Oh my god, did not know. You learn No spring mugs, but I do see something I like. They have the egg hunting, the salt, this cute flower container. I love that square detail. The bunny treats. But this beaded hat to it cracked me up. In the colors. This is so cute. Let me check the price. So the price for that is $39.99. Wow, so many good stuff. Let me check how much is that flower thing. I love that. That is $25. Loving, loving, loving it. I have this one. The glass ones, I have those, but I love the flower one better. This salt and pepper with the little chicks. This is cute. $9.99. That's very, very cute. Guys, look at this lamp. $19.99. This is cute. See, this is has a purpose, because you would put that in your home. I like that. Oh man. Okay guys, so here, yellow cracked me up. Let me put this down here. Excited with the little green color, and then extra special with the blue inside. This one's matte. The blue one is matte. Super cute, but not the ones I'm looking for. So let's continue. Okay guys, we are here in the clearance aisle. You see a lot of pieces that are broken, missing tops, etc. So let's check out what else we find here in this aisle. Well guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I only grabbed in this shop with me the two little jewelry boxes, the red ones that were on sale, and this cute goodie bag for my daughter. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Let's meet again in the next video. Comment down below if you have not, and let me know what you think of this video.